What's good, everyone? It's MJ23Dan back with another video. Today's video, I have another recent pickup. This is the Animal 3 or the Animal Instinct 3. It comes in this collage type box, something similar to what you saw in the Union Black Toes and the Storm Blues. But one of the differences is that the label is actually smaller, so you can see more of the print on the box. So I do like that Jordan Brand and Nike don't cover up their labels. With these flip-up type boxes, you do see that sometimes they have the labels like underneath this part, or maybe it's up here and it's kind of cut off, or it's smaller. So this is great. This is the Air Jordan 3 Retro SE, the special edition in black, multicolor, and dark mocha. Style number is CK4344 and color code is 002. Retail price was $225. Alright, so open up the box. Black tissue paper, white tissue paper, and you get the ever polarizing shoes. Some people were feeling these, some people weren't. I wasn't at first, but I saw more pictures and I was just like, yep, I think these are the ones to grab. So this one particularly reminded me of the Atmos collab on Nike's Air Max 1s, and I just thought it was really cool that they threw it on something that I wear pretty much almost every day in the Air Jordan 3. So I didn't know this, but Jordan Brand actually used real bovine fur on this. So when you take out the insole, it comes in a red insole with a white Jumpman, and on the right shoe of the sneaker you get this sticker. So on the sticker itself, it says, "This shoe contains real fur. Fur type, dyed adult bovine fur." And the fur origin is from Brazil. And bovine is pretty much cowhide. Now, I mean, if you want to think it in like the easiest sense of the term. Whereas cows are females, bulls are male, and steer are castrated bulls. So I mean, if you're really looking for a difference between cattle and cow, I mean, just in the simplest terms, it's cowhide. So what Jordan Brand did here is the entire shoe is cowhide, and it has the prints of the different animals. So you got the cheetah in there, you got the zebra, you got the tiger, the leopard, and I just thought it was a really interesting shoe. So they also did the same thing with the Social Status 6, if you guys remember that pair. And the materials on this are just like real crazy. Like, I don't know if it's gonna shed like pet hair. I don't know if it'll do that over time, but I think, you know, like this one would be difficult to keep clean. I mean, in my opinion, unless you're throwing some type of waterproofer in there, or you're not wearing it in the rain. I don't suggest you guys wearing this in the rain or extreme weather conditions. I felt like this is probably something that you should wear in the spring or the summertime, but in the wintertime, I think it'd be tough. But going on with the other details of the shoes, I do like that they included the little hit of red right there on the Jumpman and on the lace holes down here at the bottom of the shoe. I think if they included another pair of laces, say like red, it would definitely set this shoe off. As far as the material on the tongue here, they kept it with like a neoprene type feel along with a liner in it. It's got good padding. I showed you the insole already. It's a red insole, white Jumpman. The back tabs here are Jumpman branded, Jumpman Air, and it's a orange clear rubber. Got a cream midsole and a gum bottom. So again, I think Jordan Brand really hit it out of the park with this shoe. Not everyone can probably wear this shoe. I will give you up close details at the end of the video so you guys can check it out for yourself. Oh, one more detail here. The back of the tongue there, it says Instinct upside down. So if you wanted to check that out. So again, these are called the Animal Instinct, or you know, the Animal 3 for short. Pretty crazy how these things didn't sell out, so you can really see a lot of sizes are still available on sneakers. But to be fair, this pretty much coincided with the release of the winterized Air Jordan 4, which I do still want to get, and I probably will do so at a later time. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. If you guys want to follow me here on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, as well as YouTube. You can subscribe and check out all the videos that I drop here on YouTube. Again, I appreciate you guys for checking out the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.